Welcome to House of Hybrid channel. My name is Renato, and today we have here 2019 Tesla Model 3. And one of the questions we are asked are how to jump start your Tesla. Okay, so how we do in the Model 3? You're gonna go on the front bumper. On the driver's side, you will see a little circle cover, and you're gonna press about, I would say about almost 1 o'clock. You press, they're gonna pop the bottom out, then you slide out. When you see here, there's a wire hanging to the cover, and you have two wires. The red one is the positive, and this one will be the negative. Okay, so you have to have a 12-volt battery. Doesn't matter what size. Even those key fob 12-volt battery would work. So I'm using this one as a hybrid battery that's also giving me 12 volts. And then the positive is this one, negative is this one. I'm going to connect it here. And again, one of the details that you cannot forget, you have to have, I'm putting the key here just to the car sense that the key is on it. Otherwise, everyone with a 12-volt battery would be able to open the trunk, the front trunk on your car. Okay, so we're gonna connect the negative here and the positive on the other side. And you touch it and hold a little bit, and then that's it. Your trunk is open. This, even though we're saying how to jump start, this you not jump and start the car. This is not connected direct to the battery. This is just connected to the latch of the front trunk. So there's no direct connection with the battery. So, but when you do this, you're going to get to this part. You're gonna open. In most of them, there's a cover here that's out of this car already. You would take that cover and then this one, and then you have access to your battery. And then over here, the passenger side is the positive and the negative is one. And then you'll be able to jump start and then open the door and open everything. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and I see you next video.